What up, good people? Huge shout out to Hall Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2023 Chevy Traverse. Today we're introducing the 2023 Chevy Traverse. This particular model wrapped in a silver sage metallic. For the length, 205 inches, height 70 inches. This have a wheelbase of 120 inches with a ground clearance of 7.5 inches. This particular model have an MSRP of $38,000. You have your daytime LED headlights on the top with your headlights on the bottom. Right here we're looking at a 3.6 liter V6 engine powered by Ecotec, pushing out 310 for the torque, 266 at 3,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 27, city, 18. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black and tan cloth seats. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your RPMs, on the right you have your MPH, in the middle you have your gas and engine temp with your digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your vehicle info, navigation, music, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your forward collision. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and menu button with voice command. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here, we're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Chevy link. You have a hidden compartment behind the display. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control with your heated seats. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlets with your aux alongside your 12-volt outlet. In the cubby area, you have your wireless charging pad. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 9-speed automatic transmission. You have your cup holder area. The buttons right here are your auto stop feature with your lane keep assist alongside your electronic parking. Now we're making our way inside the center console. This is pretty deep. We done made our way up to your interior lighting alongside your SOS Safety Connect OnStar with the 4G LTE network. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with 10 cloth seats. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your climate control. Now we are making our way to the third row seating area. This particular model seats 7 people. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 23 cubic feet. With seat area measuring at 98.2 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of 60-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Hall Chevrolet for allowing me to view the 2023 Chevy Traverse. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.